Okay, so I'm gonna be doing some upgrade on my PC. Um, this is run by an Ryzen 5 2600. My motherboard is the B450 DS3H by Gigabyte. I have an SSD here. My RAMs are, I think they're Kingston. I forgot, to be honest. What are they? But yeah, there's 16 gigs of RAM. So this is the old card. This is the Gigabyte RX 570. You can see it's still, it still runs most of the games at 60 frames per second on 1080p. But with the AAA games, you might want to lower the settings a bit. I've tried playing Dota 2, Call of Duty Warzone on high settings. There were no problems. Path of Exile as well. Well, about 60 frames per second. But yeah, since I'm doing some streaming and some video editing, I decided to upgrade to a new GPU, and I've decided to get this one instead. This is the GeForce RTX 2060 Super by EVGA. So we're just gonna go ahead and install this one on that motherboard. Let's get going. Okay, so this is the card right here. It says the same metal backplate. It's the extended part of it. It supports an 8-pin power connector, and it has no LED or RGB lights on it, which I like. Depends on preference really. There are people who likes the RGB. It has a DVI dual link, 2 display ports, 1.4 and 2.0 HDMI. Okay, let's go plug it in. Okay, I think I have to take the top slot out. Okay, that's it right there. Turns out I didn't have to take the top slot. put the top slot back in. There was a panel on this side right here where it houses the SSD card. This bracket right here, I had to take it out just to make sure that it'll fit, but I don't see any problems with it if it was there anyway. But I was about to take it out anyway, so that I have more ventilation inside from my intake fans. And plug the 8-pin. So I have a 6+2 power connector here. Okay, slots the other way around. So I have to make some change of orientation on the wires. Yep. Now it's gonna this side. Okay, it's cool. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's installed. Planning to get a I was planning to get a water cooler for my CPU, and I'm gonna do a separate video for that one. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Pop a comment on the comment section below, or hit the like and subscribe button to support this channel. Once again, thank you, and you have a good day. Bye.